Meaning of gather.
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 Gather. Gather means to bring together and collect into one place or group. When people gather, they come together for a specific purpose such as a meeting, celebration, or protest. Gathering can also refer to the collection of objects or information. For example, data can be gathered to conduct research or to make informed decisions. The result of gathering is a greater sense of unity, shared purpose, and knowledge. It creates opportunities for collaboration and connection, which can lead to positive outcomes both for individuals and for society as a whole.